Constellation. We see thousands of stars on a clear moonless night, and some of these stars are arranged in groups or patterns. One group of stars suggested the outline of a bear, another group of stars reminded them of a hunter, and so on. The stars which appear in the form of a closed group and form recognizable shapes and patterns are known as constellations. Usura Major Constellation or Great Bear Constellation. The Indian name of Usura Major Constellation or Great Bear Constellation is Saptarishi. The Great Bear Constellation reminds us of large ladle or a question mark studded in the sky. The Usura Major Constellation or the Great Bear Constellation consists of 7 bright stars arranged in a pattern resembling somewhat a big bear. The constellation Usura Minor or Small Dipper also has 7 stars in it. The pole star forms the handle tip of the Usura Minor. Orion Constellation. The Indian name of Orion Constellation is Mriga. Orion Constellation also consists of 7 prominent stars. The arrangement of stars in the Orion Constellation is shown in the figure. Orion means hunter. So the arrangement of stars in Orion Constellation is supposed to resemble a hunting man.